Hello dear students, welcome back. This is fifth lesson on circular measures for O levels. In today's class, we are going to solve 4 questions from past year exams. Let us start today's lesson. Circular measure, lesson number 5, topical past year question part 2. First question for today. We are given a diagram. Diagram shows a circle C1. This is circle C1. And the circle C2. This is circle C2. They meet at point X. This is point X. Circle C1 has center A and circle radius 6. This is 6 radius. Circle C2 has center at B and its radius is 10. Point D and E lie on C1 and C2 respectively. And DE is parallel to this AB. Angle DAX is equal to 1 over 3 pi or pi by 3 radians, and angle EBX is equal to theta. By considering the perpendicular distance of D and E from AB, show that exact value of theta is sine inverse 3 square root 3 by 10. First of all, we have to find this theta. For that, what I will do, I will draw a perpendicular from D to AB, which meets AB at point P, and perpendicular from E to AB, which meets AB at Q. From this triangle, I can write DP is over AD is equal to sine pi by 3. From here, I will write DP is equal to AB into sine pi by 3. We know AD. AD is 6 and sine pi by 3 is under root 3 by 2. So this is 3 square root 3. This DP and EQ are equal. So this EQ will also be under root 3 square root 3. From here, sine theta is equal to EQ over EB, which is equal to EQ is 3 under root 3 and EB is 10, which further implies theta is equal to sine inverse 3 square root 3 over 10. Part 1 is done. In part 2, we have to find perimeter of this shaded region, which is equal to DE distance plus this EX arc length plus DX arc length. First of all, from the previous part, we carry that sine theta is equal to 3 square root 3 over 10, which gives us theta is equal to sine inverse 3 square root 3 over 10, and hence theta will be you use your calculator to find this theta. Theta will be 0.546 radian. 0.546 radian. I calculated this theta so that I could calculate this arc length EX. Now, arc length DX is equal to R theta. R is 6, theta is pi by 3. This is 2 pi. And arc length EX is equal to R theta. R is 10 and theta is 0.546, which will be 5.46 centimeter. Up till now, I have calculated this arc length and this arc length. In order to calculate this DE, consider the same shape. This is P, perpendicular from D to AB, and this is Q, perpendicular from E to AB. Now look over here. Cos pi by 3 is equal to this AP over AD, which is 6, which implies AP is equal to 6 into cos pi by 3, which will be 6 into 1 by 2, 3 centimeter. So this AP is 3. Next, similarly, cos of 0.546, this angle is equal to QB over EB, which implies QB is equal to EB into cos 0.546. And hence, I will get BQ as 8.546. This is 8.546. This is 3. So what will be PQ? This is 6. This is 10. AB distance is 16. So PQ distance, which is equal to DE distance, is equal to 16 minus 3 minus 8.546, and hence DE will be 4.454. Now I have to find the perimeter of this shaded region, which will be sum of these three distances. This one, arc length dx, this one plus this. So this perimeter will be 2 pi plus 5.46 plus 4.544, and this will be approximately 16.2 centimeter. So dear student, this was first question for today. Let us move to our next question. This diagram shows a metal plate made by removing a segment from a circle with center O and radius 8. Center O and radius 8. A segment is removed, and this is a diagram. The line AB is chord of the circle with and central angle is 2.4 radian. We have to find, first of all, we have to find length of AB. It's very simple. For length of AB, this side is 8, this side is 8, and included angle is 2.4. So this side in front of this angle is given by AB is equal to square root of 8 square plus 8 square minus 2 multiplied by 8 into cos 2.4. When you will use your calculator, you will get this distance is 14.91. So AB distance will be equal to 14.91 centimeter. This is part 1 of this question. In the second part, we have to find the perimeter of this plate. Okay, for perimeter is AB plus this. Now what is this angle? This total angle is 2 pi radian. This angle theta is 2 pi minus pi, minus 2.4 radian. Okay. And what will be this arc length? Arc length AB, major arc, is equal to r theta. R is 8 into 2 pi minus 2.4. When you will use your calculator, you will get this arc length is equal to 31.1 centimeter. And perimeter, required perimeter for part 2 will be 31.1 arc length plus 14.91, which will be 45.98. Approximately it will be 46 centimeter. I hope this is clear. Now we have to find the area of the same. Its area will be equal to area of this sector plus area of this triangle. Okay, what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into 8 into 8 into sine 2.4. With the help of calculator, you will find This area of triangle is 21.61 centimeter square. And what is area of sector, major sector? Area of sector will be 1 by 2 r square theta. Theta is 2 pi minus 2.4. Upon simplification, you will get this area of sector is 124.256. 124.256 centimeter square. So area of plate will be sum of these two areas. Area of the plate is equal to 121.256 plus 21.61, and this will be 145.8. This is 124.256. 145.8 centimeter square, approximately 146 centimeter square. So this was question 2 for today's lesson. Let us move to our next question. Question number 3. Diagram shows a sector of circle with center O and radius 20 centimeter. A circle with center C and radius x centimeter lies within this sector. This radius is x, this is center, and it touches this sector at P, Q and R. P, Q and R. Angle POR is 1.2 radian. First of all, we have to show that x, this radius x is equal to 7.218. Dear student, for that, if from here I join P, since this P is touching the point of tangency, so this angle will be 90 and this angle will also be 90. This is x, this is x, this total distance is 20. So this distance of CPO will be 20 minus x. I hope this is clear. From this figure, this angle is 1.2 and this will be 0.6. From the figure I can write sine 0.6 is equal to x over 20 minus x. From here I will write 20 minus x is equal to x over sine 0.6. I can write 20 is equal to x plus x over sine 0.6 implies 20 is equal to x into 1 plus 1 over sine 0.6, and upon calculation I will write 20 is equal to 2.71x, and from here x will be equal to 20 divided by 2.771, which is approximately equal to 7.128. So this 7.128 is basically radius of this inner circle. So part 1 is done. In part 2, we have to find the area of these three parts. This one, and this one. This radius is calculated now, which is 7.218. So first of all, look at this sector. Its angle is 1.2 radian, radius is 20. Area of sector is equal to 1 by 2 r square into theta. Theta is 1.2. And when I will simplify this, this will be 240. And area of circle, which is inside this sector, is pi r square. Pi into what is r? 7.218 its square. When you will simplify it, it will be 163.6 675. So area of three parts or required area will be sector's area minus area of circle. This will be approximately 76.3 centimeter square. I hope this is clear. So student, this was second part of this question. In the third part, we have to find the perimeter of this region, OPSR. OPSR. This perimeter will be equal to OP distance plus OR distance plus this arc length PSR. This is X. This is X. X is known. X is equal to 7.128 from the previous part. Now this angle is, let this angle be theta. Theta is equal to pi minus 1.2. Pi minus 1.2. This will be approximately 1.942. This angle PCR. Why I have calculated this angle? Because I want to calculate this arc length. Its radius is this, central angle is this. So arc length PSR will be equal to R theta. R is 7.128 and theta is 1.942. So this arc length PSR will be equal to 14.02. centimeter. I have calculated this distance. Student, now I have to find this distance. This x is known, right? And if I join this C with P, this angle is 0.6. So with the help of this, I can write tangent 0.6 is equal to x over OP, and OP hence is equal to x over tangent 0.6, which will be 10.55. This OP is 10.55. Similarly, OR is also 10.55. So required perimeter will be 10.55 plus 10.55 plus the arc length 14.02, and it will be total to 35.1 centimeter. This is the part third of question number 3 of today's lesson. I hope this is clear. Now we are going towards the final question of today's lesson. We are given a diagram. It shows a square ABCD. Its side is 10. This is 10. This is 10. This is 10. This is 10. The midpoint of AD is O. O is midpoint. It means OA is equal to 5. OD is equal to 5. BXC is an arc. BXC is an arc of the circle with center at O. This is arc of the circle. First of all, we have to find the angle BOC and show that this angle is equal to this. Okay. What is this? 10. O is midpoint, for this is 5, this is 5. Let this angle be theta. So what is tangent theta? Tangent theta is equal to 10 by 5, implies theta is equal to tangent inverse 10 by 5, and tangent inverse 10 by 5 is equal to 1.107 radian. Similarly, this angle is also 1.70. So what will be this angle? The required angle BOC is equal to pi minus 1.107 minus 1.107, which will be approximately 0.9273. Part 1 is done. So we have find this angle 0.9273. Now we have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter is this 10 plus this arc length. We have calculated this angle. This angle is 0.9273. We can calculate this radius. This radius r is equal to 10 square plus 5 square square root 125 square root. It will be simplified to 5 square root 5. Now I will find this arc length. Arc length BC is equal to r theta. R is 5 square root 5 and theta is 0.9273, which will be, so what will be the arc length? Arc length will be equal to, and what will be the perimeter? Perimeter of the shaded region will be 10 plus this arc length, 5 square root 2 into 0.9273. Upon simplification, you will get the perimeter, which is 20.4 centimeter. I hope this is clear. In the next part of the same question, we have to find this shaded area. Shaded area is area of this sector minus area of this triangle, and this triangle is half of the square. Area of triangle is equal to BOC is equal to 50, and area of sector is equal to 1 by 2 r square. R is 5 square root to 5 square and theta is 0.9273, and this area of sector will be 57.96 centimeter square, and shaded area which was required will be area of sector 57.96 minus area of triangle. This will be 7.96 centimeter square, approximately equal to 8 centimeter square. So dear student, this was lesson number 5 for circular measure for A levels. In today's lesson, we have solved 4 questions from past year exam questions. In next class, we will further solve some questions. Please do subscribe this channel and also share it with your friends so that they could also benefit from this. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.